IREN is down a further 3.12%, in addition to the 12.66%. This is Friday, the 14th of November, 2025. Pre-market session. Intraday low yesterday for $4.97. So the stock, yeah, is actually trending, as a matter of fact, as a result of a wider sell-off impacting both AI-focused and Bitcoin-related stocks, creating a heightened uncertainty even in the face of strong company specific catalysts. The recent Microsoft partnership, viewed by many as a transformative deal, underscores the company's evaluation from a pure play Bitcoin miner into an emerging AI cloud and data infrastructure provider. Combined with positive earnings, the collaboration has been hailed as a major validation of the company's long term strategy and technological relevance. Despite these bullish developments, the stock has been dragged down, with the broader sector fueling debate about whether AI themed equities and Bitcoin related companies are entering bubble territory. Okay. Some community members argue that market sentiment is detached from fundamentals, noting that institutional investors have been quietly increasing their positions in IREN. They view this accommodation as a signal of confidence in the company's future, especially given its competitive advantage in renewable power data centers and low cost energy infrastructure. Yeah, some of these stocks, AI and software, and indeed, yeah, software, they all cover some of these Bitcoin adjacent stocks. They have been selling off. Yes, I mentioned that at the beginning of this week. I mentioned that, but many of them are still within their intermediate trends. So fundamentals are still very much intact. Many of them, I can't exactly say if that is the case with IREN. On this 4 hour chart, yes, IREN's on fundamental is still very much intact. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Yes, underlying trend still very much intact, still very much strongly bullish. Okay, here we have a downward projection of 34.88, 41.01, 50.92, 50.92 is an upper projection. The extrapolation is got today's projection right. Got today's extrapolation right. If this holds, this weakness is currently showing now holds up till the end of today, then it would have ticked off today's extrapolation, and it's saying that it's the downtrend is expected to remain in place at least up till the end towards the end of December, at various times attempting to bounce. The 40-day moving average is expected to serve as a resistance. Okay, positions opened all the way back to 40 days ago. I think they are all bearish now. Let's confirm that of the 40 days ago. Let's confirm the trend on its 40-day moving average. Let's confirm it. Let's see whether we have that as exactly what's going on. We don't want to just guess, even though the stock is trading at a discount to that moving average. It may not be the case. Let's see. 40-day moving average, price pressure momentum 3. Yeah, let's see whether it's trending. Okay, yeah, it's still trending. So even though the stock is trading at a discount to it, it's still trending. You can see the trend is from 0.25. So this is still robustly trending. Derivatives are all positive, still positive. Yeah, they haven't decayed. They're still very much positive. But buying pressure, obviously, the stock has been declining. So people they're not buying really. They're not buying. Selling pressures is in effect. So selling pressure is in effect. People are buying, but not as much. They're not competing well. They're buying, but sellers have the upper hand. Sellers have the upper hand. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago, strongly bullish and trending. So underlying trend is very much intact on this on its daily chart. On its 4 hour chart, we saw that earlier on. It's equally very much intact as well. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have. Price pressure momentum one. Okay. Okay, so here we have well, a bounce is expected in this session in for today's session, going all the way towards the all the way towards the close of Monday's trading session. So we'll see how it goes. So all in all, it's just saying that a consolidation is expected, a volatile one, at least up till Monday, of a volatile one, at least up till Tuesday the 18th. A consolidation is expected going all the way towards the 25th of November. I think that was equally the case with okay, yeah. For now, I think so. I'm not expected to go beyond its 40 period moving average. Yeah, the probability of it retesting 54.43 is quite high as well. Yeah. Look over here. That's where the moving averages are. If the moving, I'm considering the first value. So if that value is greater than our our target, that is the resistance we are talking about, or projection we are considering, then you know you are looking at a probability that is greater than 50%. So for it retesting 54, I think it's looking like it has bounced. No, okay, it hasn't bounced. Yes, it's gradually eroding the weakness there. Okay, so we have probability of it retesting 54.47. Yeah, it's greater than 50%. 55.66 equally greater than 50%. 58.66 equally greater than 50%. 60.83, yes, equally greater than 60%. So this is a pivotal projection. We have 63.01. Is that what we have? Yeah, no, 62.85. 62.85. Let's see. 62.85. Yeah, okay. 62.88. Okay. Yeah, so statistically, the probability of it surpassing this pivotal projection is equally greater than 50%. Very high, quite high, very high, greater than 50%. And if it does it, if it surpasses 66.62.88, then it will. There's a good chance. It's a good chance it will test 66.15, and that probability is equally greater than 50%. So statistically, it looks well. It looks good. It looks good, but it doesn't follow that way. It doesn't follow that way. It doesn't follow that way. Look at this. This is 78.13. The probability of it testing that is very tiny. That was also what it was before it did. Very tiny. So for some, we have this paradox of where this when there's aggression, the market is buying, you know the prices go beyond the expectations. They break barriers, they test its probabilities, they defy the expectations, and print prices that are remotely probable. So that's a paradox. But the ones that are within reach, the ones that have probabilities up to 90%, you may find out it's not even going to print that, anytime soon. So I mean, in the interim, if the sort of things that you're expecting, because right now what we're dealing with is a broader market sell-off, the sell-off in the AI and software related sectors. That's what's going on right now. There's a market rotation away from those sort of stocks right now. They're going to come back. They're going to punk. We are. It's not, even if the underlying trends begin to degrade. The more they do so, the greater the chance of returning into them will be. So the point I'm trying to make is that you can see the probabilities of it retesting some of these prices within reach, are very, very high. But with what is going on right now, they may still not happen. They may still not happen. Here, this one is 74.18 as well. Okay, yeah, okay. This was the probability was high then. It was high, but this one not really. Yeah. So that's what's going on right now. The stock is trending. Let's see the price, has it decayed further. Yeah, it's continued to it has returned to what it was before, $47 or thereabout. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. This is still the pre-market session. We haven't seen anything going on yet. Let's see. IREN, I think, is is a high beta stock, and volatility is expected to increase further. So another thing is that some traders will be watching these extrapolations, and they will be thinking, yeah, what are we going to do with the options? We don't expect it's not expected that the stock is going to rebound and retest previous highs. It's expected to trade within a certain range. It's not a no, and within a certain range, and even probably with a distributive bias. So they will be looking at the options, and especially the ones, let's see now, maybe not the ones that will expire today. Indeed, people might consider the ones that will expire today, but um, yeah, let's see. All of these out of money stocks, okay, and they still have some value in them. They still have some value in them. Yeah, and they will be considering things, credit spreads, all sorts of strategies that can be done. That's the essence of whatever the situation is. There's something to be done on the options pit. There's something to be done on the options pit. So have a look and see what you make of iron stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.